These are the Raycon Everyday Earbuds, and shout out to Raycon for not only supplying the earbuds, but also for sponsoring this video. So if you're watching, why not hit the link in the description and use the code at the bottom of this video. I'm doing this, but it's going to be like down here somewhere. Now then tech, and get 15% off your Raycon Everyday Earbuds or any Raycon earbuds on the website. Now, the buds themselves, essentially, here they are, open in the case, and they are your everyday earbuds. And it's a bit of a giveaway who they're for, because essentially they're for everyone, all the time, all day long. So if you're running, or if we're going to the gym. So we've used them quite regularly in the gym, and to be honest, the performance is great. One key thing we will mention that makes the performance really good is these tips stay in your ear really well. And then the top of these, where you see the little R logo there, is actually a soft touch button, so it's clicky. So if you're sweating or if you're out running, these are really, really useful because you're not reliant on the touch. But there's so much more going on with the Raycon Everyday Earbuds than just working out. Heading to the gym, just to sort of give you an idea as to sound quality on the Raycon earbuds. I will say, sound isolation is pretty good, and then the awareness mode also very, very good. So if you keep your buds in and have a conversation with somebody, it's still pretty sick. But yeah, the fit and finish is pretty sick. Liking these. So let's talk functions of the Raycon Everyday Earbuds. So no app. You may think, how do I access all my modes? We can fix that for you, because we have a little cheat guide which will give you an idea as to how to cycle through different modes. So on the left earbud, if you hold down for 1.5 seconds, you can switch between any of these three profiles: balance sound, bass sound, and pure sound. As you're changing them, it will go through and let you know what's what, which is sick. We tend to be quite bassy with our music and our audio and our music, so we picked balance sound, bass sounds, which is what we use most often for podcasts, etc. It's more balance sound, feels better when it comes through. On the right bud, again, hold down for 1.5 seconds. You can then go into awareness mode or passive noise cancellation mode. So essentially the difference here is, with awareness mode, it's your surroundings. You can hear them better, or if you want to talk to somebody, you can hear them better. With noise cancellation, or passive noise isolation, I should say, they are slightly different in that they will block out a lot of background sound. So if you're a runner, you want to probably use awareness mode. If you're somebody who's just going for a walk and you don't want to hear anything else around you, then you go down the isolation mode. Great things. Other things, you can obviously use this to answer calls, skip music, play music, increase volume, reduce volume, whatever have you. One of the cool things is, if you hold it down for 3 seconds, you actually move to Assistant, Google Assistant, or Bixby, LOL, or Siri, which you can actually use and respond and get answers on your phone, which is pretty sick. So there's a lot of function built into these buds themselves, and these buttons here are super clicky and very nice. The buds themselves feel very, very well built. So the Raycon Everyday Earbuds, what are our sort of final thoughts? Well, let's touch on a couple of other things with regards to features. So you've got your indicator light at the bottom of the buds here, which will tell you if you need or want to charge your buds. But you're probably not going to need to, because you get 32 hours of battery life. Some of the other features on the buds themselves: IPX6 water resistant. Obviously, we've mentioned awareness mode and passive noise cancellation, surround sound. And then for us, which is really, really cool, we were not expecting this, is this case can wirelessly charge. So if you have a phone that has wireless power share and you're a bit low, pop it on top, it will wirelessly charge. In terms of the fit and finish of the buds themselves, right and left earbud go straight in, little twist, they're straight in. I can hear my surroundings and feel my surroundings, but we are currently in passive noise cancellation mode, which is pretty sick. And then when you get the earbuds in, you'll get a little Raycon sound. Raycon, it's like the old Sega, I guess. Yep, to let you know they're connected, and then a connected sound again to tell you you're good to go to play your music, podcasts, whatever have you. They fit super lush. These are the entry sort of shipped buds, and then you get more in the box, as well as a USB-C cable. So the Raycon Everyday Earbuds, They're pretty much for anybody, and they are a really good alternative to any existing buds on the market. Tons of reasons to buy. Color options, red, blue, carbon, which is the black here, which we've shown you just there. So these are the black ones. And then if you're in the market for a pair, why not give them a bash? And if you're gonna give them a bash, use our code in the description and click the link. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, as always, we out.